This is how I cook bacon in a 6-quart stock pot. See, and I cut it into like little 1 inch and a half pieces. And what I have here is 3 pounds of thick cut Costco's Kirkland brand bacon. It's been going about 15 or 20 minutes now. Getting ready to take it out. I just wanted to show you quick. When it starts to bubble up like this, don't walk away, because it won't take but a few minutes before you better shut this off and get it out, because it'll start getting really brown. Here you can see what it looks like right now. Then you can, once it's cooled off, I actually stored in a plastic bag in the freezer. And when you want some bacon, just take out a few pieces or a handful, lay it on a plate or a bowl, and in a matter of less than a minute it's thawed. Or if you want it with eggs, just throw it in a fry pan, heat it with the eggs, boom. Also a great snack when you're watching TV in the evening. Better than potato chips, much better for you too. Alright, later.